Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Here I make book related videos. So if you are interested in books, do subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new videos. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the top 6 Robin Sharma books. Robin Sharma is a successful writer and one of the world's most sought after leadership experts. He had been working as a litigation lawyer before he started his writing career. Over the years, his books have sold millions of copies worldwide in more than 70 languages. So without further ado, let's get started. The first book is The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. It is the most popular book by Robin Sharma. The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari narrates the extraordinary tale of Julian Mental, who is a successful lawyer with an extremely busy schedule. His priorities in life are money, success, power and prestige. But when he has an heart attack, he sells off all his possessions and goes to India in search of a more meaningful existence. When he comes back, he is a completely changed man. He has learned from the mystical Himalayan monks and he shares the practical wisdom with his former associate. Core of the book is 7 virtues of enlightened learning. Each virtue is explained in detail. Now, the concepts are not new, but the way they have been presented will definitely make you question your life's purpose. If you want to improve your life, then you must read this book, which will definitely fuel your inner and outer growth. The next book is The Leader Who Had No Title. The book narrates the story of Blake, who works at a bookstore. He finds it hard to work or concentrate for a long time. He meets a stranger who introduces the LWT philosophy to him, that is, lead without a title. The stranger convinces Blake to meet the 4 teachers who reveal the 4 principles behind the LWT philosophy to him. Again, the principles are very basic, but about the stuff that is generally neglected. Being positive, leading ourselves before leading others, self-discipline, and most importantly, finding value in our own work and paying it forward. The practical wisdom offered in this book will certainly inspire you to pursue excellence in your own life and work. The next book is Who Will Cry When You Die? I simply love the title of this book, which is so catchy and will make you reflect on the purpose of your life. The book starts with the famous saying, "When you are born, you cry and the whole world rejoices. Live your life in a way that when you die, the whole world cries and you rejoice." In this book, Robin Sharma has mentioned 101 important life lessons which will help you improve the quality of your life and your interpersonal relationships. It is a book which will definitely make a big impact on your life. The next book is The Greatness Guide. In The Greatness Guide, Robin Sharma has presented 101 ideas which will help you become a better version of yourself. The book has highly inspiring and life-changing life lessons. It also contains brilliant quotes by masters and world-class people that have ever lived on this earth. If you are into self-help books and really want to live an extraordinary life, then I recommend reading this book. And the next book is Leadership Wisdom from the Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. This book is a sequel to Robin Sharma's best-selling book, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. In this book, leadership wisdom has been explained in the form of a fable. The author has prescribed 8 rituals which, when practiced, will help you in becoming a visionary leader. The rituals are the ritual of a compelling future focus, the ritual of human relations, the ritual of team unity, the ritual of adaptability and change management, the ritual of personal effectiveness, the ritual of self-leadership, the ritual of creativity and innovation, the ritual of contribution and significance. This is an excellent book on leadership. Some practical ideas which are doable, which can be tried and practiced. And the last book is Daily Inspiration from the Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. The book is a kind of diary which gives you daily inspiration on a variety of topics. The book is written in an easy to understand calendar format, designed to make each one of your days extraordinary. Like, for every date there is a message. For May 7, the message is: after you have done your part by giving your best, relax and accept whatever comes back to you. You did all you could do. You acted responsibly and made the best moves and highest choices that were within your power to make. Now let the highest power take over and lead you to where you were meant to go. Let life take you to the path of your destiny. Reading a page every day in the morning will improve your vision for life. So these were my top 6 Robin Sharma books. Have you read any of Robin Sharma books? If yes, which one is your favorite? Do share in the comments below. And if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel, like this video, share and comment. Until next video, bye and take care.